Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the workspace because accuracy matters. Set the template scale to 1:1 or your preferred ratio. Select the circle tool and enter the exact radius or diameter value in px or millimeters, then place the center point. Once done, lock the base layer and enable guides and snapping so shapes align. Make sure to name the layer and save a version. This prevents accidental edits and keeps your template reusable for future projects. You refine the circle template by applying geometric constraints to control behavior and relationships. Use concentric or tangent constraints to keep pieces aligned. Then combine elements with Boolean operations like union, subtract, and intersect to produce cutouts or composite shapes. As you work, adjust stroke width, fill color, and anchor points to achieve the intended visual and manufacturing tolerance. Make sure to test a measurement at multiple points so that you finish by exporting the template in the correct format. Choose SVG for future edits, PDF for precise printing, or PNG for quick previews. Once exported, verify scale and DPI. Use 300 DPI for print and 72 DPI for screen previews, and test a printed sample at 100% to confirm measurements. If elements shift or misalign, re-enable guides. Double-check active constraints and the layer stacking order, and then re-export. This single troubleshooting step resolves most template alignment problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.